did actually recut these pieces so that they fit a little better. So I'll squeegee some gunk in between. This gunk right here. And yeah, that'll hold my fiber up. Pouring a little extra hardener in this so that it dries a little quicker. So just kind of squeegee some stuff up there for now. So I kind of just squeegeed all that in there around all the edges. I'll let that dry, take the screws out and fill it again, and then I'll have a good spot to actually add some fiber and get this sealed up the right way. Please subscribe.